on my day, then no fit touch my energy. Body mine. If I no get money, not disability. So forget me.
Hey everyone, you're welcome again to our YouTube channel, and today I'll be taking you through the journey of how I achieved this viral transition video. So I recorded myself on a tripod stand, swiping through different outfits, and I make sure I maintain the same position. After this, I imported my video into CapCut. I took screenshots of each outfit and also imported them into CapCut as overlay. Select the screenshot of your outfit, go to Remove BG, Custom Remover, Quick Brush. Now select only the outfit that you want in your video. Just like I am doing, I had to select it carefully so as not to add anything else into my video. You can take your time to do this. You have to do the same thing for each and every outfit that you want to swipe through in your screen. You can take your time, just like I said earlier, so as not to have any glitch. And don't forget that you have to import the screenshot as an overlay on top of your normal outfit footage that you've recorded. For you not to be confused in the process, make sure you place each screenshot at the point where you've already changed your outfits. Once you are done with the selection, hit on the check button. Okay, this is perfect. In case you import your screenshot on the main track, you have to overlay it. Now let's play around keyframe. This is keyframe. Just select the keyframe at the point where you want your clothes to appear, your outfit to appear. Then you move forward the playhead and also select keyframe to place the clothes on your body. For smooth movement, select the curve button and select the cubit in. Once you have the perfect movement, don't forget to split and delete the excess part of the footage. Now let's get to the sound aspect of the video. Select sound. Select the perfect sound effects for your video. For me, I love to use multiple sound effects to review my outfits, like snap finger, remembering whoosh, and magic review, just to make it perfect. And while I was swiping through my outfit, I actually used swish whoosh. You can find all of this sound effects under sound effects. After this, your video is ready to export. If you find this video helpful, kindly turn on the notification button to receive more videos like this. And also don't forget to like and subscribe.